Dear students, today I am going to teach you a new topic, that is velocity. Before velocity, I have explained in my previous class distance, displacement, speed and average speed. Today, a similar topic like speed, but there will be a specific direction in velocity. So how to define velocity? The distance traveled by a moving object per unit time in a definite direction is called velocity. The distance traveled by a moving object, moving body per unit time in a definite direction is called velocity. In other language, we can also define it or displacement per unit time. Displacement per unit time is called velocity. Displacement per unit time. This means if I want to write the formula to calculate velocity, velocity equal to displacement by time. V equal to S by T. S for distance as well as displacement. So there are two definitions, both are the same, because you know distance in a particular direction is called displacement. So second definition, displacement per unit time is called velocity. Velocity equal to displacement by time. V equal to S by T. Okay, now unit of velocity. Unit of velocity equal to centimeter per second. In CGS system, velocity is measured in centimeter per second. In MK system or SI system, velocity is measured in meter per second. If we talk about the higher unit of velocity, it is kilometer per hour. Okay, so these are the several units of velocity. A smaller unit centimeter per second, and SI unit meter per second, and higher unit kilometer per hour. Units of velocity and speed. Units of velocity and speed both are the same. So if anyone asks you how these two terms, velocity and speeds, are differ from each other, only one thing is more here. In velocity, there is a specific direction, under which condition a speed becomes velocity. If direction is mentioned, if a specific direction is mentioned, in such condition the same speed becomes velocity. This means this type of quantity is velocity. In my previous class, I have explained two quantities like scalar and vectors. Here velocity include direction, that's why velocity is a vector quantity while speed is a scalar quantity. Okay, I will come again in my next class with this term and few new terms related to motion. Thanks, that's all.